Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Fable 5 inside Claude Code. If you already have access to Fable 5 but aren't sure how to switch to it, this tutorial will walk you through the process. Claude Fable 5 is Anthropic's most advanced publicly available model and is designed for complex coding, reasoning, and long-running tasks. Before getting started, make sure your Claude subscription includes access to Fable 5. The model is currently being rolled out to eligible paid users including Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise accounts. Next, open Claude Code on your computer. Once the terminal is running, you can check which model you're currently using. The easiest way to switch model is by using the model dropdown. So you can either select from the dropdown or simply type /model and press enter. A menu will appear showing the models available on your account. If Claude Fable 5 is available, select it from the list and confirm your choice. The change takes effect immediately without restarting your session. To verify that the switch was successful, you'll be able to see Fable 5 written over here, or you can also type /status and Claude will display the information about your current session, including the active model. You can also launch Claude Code directly with the Fable 5 enabled. So you can simply open a terminal window and start Claude Code using the model parameter. Some users have reported that this method works even when the model doesn't initially appear in the menu. If you don't see Fable 5 in the model list, make sure your Claude Code installation is up to date. Older versions may not display newly released models. Updating the application and restarting it often resolves the issue. Community reports also suggest that restarting Claude Code after an update can make Fable 5 appear in the model picker. Once Fable 5 is active, you can use it just like any other Claude model. It's particularly well suited for large code bases, debugging complex projects, multi-file refactoring, and long coding sessions that require deep reasoning.